anyone tell me what is website or web development? Anything you can tell, anything you know. I just want to know what you guys have some knowledge about this one. Anyone? Any idea about website? No one knows, sir. Guys, you can also text here also. Any text message or any you can. What is website? I opened this one. Let me open GitHub. Okay, now what is this called? This GitHub. Hello. Domain. Okay, domain is this one. What is this? Everything. What we are seeing here. What is this thing? Domain is just a name. Web page. Web page, or you can call it as website also. Okay, this is website. GitHub is one website. Now you know what is website, everyone. Anything which is displayed in this browser, that is website. Yeah, my personal website. Okay, this is my website. Okay, now there is a difference here. Can you tell me what is the difference? Okay, here I cannot change anything. I just here I can see these things, the certificates, the skills. So here I can just read this data, but here I can do many things. I can log in here, sign up, everything I can do here. See here I can search. Do that search button here. This is a search button, login button, sign up button. Okay, now there is a difference in these both websites. What is the difference? Content stored in web server. Yes. There are two types of websites. Anyone knows two types of websites? No one knows, sir. Static. Other one is dynamic. Yes, exactly. Static website and dynamic website. Okay, so now can you tell me what is this website? This is my portfolio website here. Okay, what is this called? Static or dynamic? Static, yes. Why? Why it is static? Content remains same for all users. Yes. Okay, so here we cannot change anything here. Here I can just read the data. Okay, nothing activities are going here. See, just I can read this all data. But here in GitHub, I can search. search, you can log in, sign up. You can sign up for GitHub with email. Some operations are going on here. Okay, so it is a dynamic because if I give my email here, it will store this email to a database. Okay, this website is connected with database now. Okay, so that is called a dynamic website. When a website is connected with database, it is called dynamic. If it is not connected to database, it is static. Okay, you know this difference? Any doubts? Any doubts in dynamic and static website? Oh, okay, only Surya is replying. What about others? Bharat, Bhavya, Harahari, Yogesh. Oh, others? Okay, okay. You know what is HTML, CSS? Why it is used for? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What are these? What is HTML? What is JavaScript? Two-wheel website. Yes, design web page. Okay, let's install the VS Code first. Okay, do you guys have VS Code in your laptops? We'll create a simple static website today. Yes, yes. Everyone have it? Others, only Bharat and Yogesh have. Yes. Okay, then let's start with that one now. Okay, now first you create a folder somewhere. I also create here somewhere. I- language. Okay, first you create a folder here. Any folder you can create. I have given name first website. After creating that, come inside that folder and right click. You will get to see this option. Open with code. Most of them will not get to see this one. Can everyone see this option? Open with code option. Yes. Okay. Okay, click on that. Open with code. Okay, in VS Code we have to install some extensions. Okay, click here on these four boxes. Here search for HTML, CSS, this one. Done. Huh? Okay, after this, search for auto rename. This one, auto rename tag. Done, guys. Guys, are you with me? Everyone? Hello, hello. Bharat, Yogesh, Hari. Okay, auto rename is done. Then what's next? This one is not. Okay, for now these two tags are enough. HTML CSS auto rename tag. Okay, now here we create a file. Okay, see this first one is to create a new file. This is for folder, new folder. Okay, now I will create a file here. Name it as index.html. Okay, here I can give any name here, not only index. I can give my name also, shaul.html, anything you can give. Okay, after creating this, just give one exclamatory mark, enter. You will get to see this one, this template. This is called a boilerplate, basic boilerplate. Done, guys. Is everyone with me? And one more extension is there. Search for go live. or just search for live, this one, live server. Install this one also. This is important. Give thumbs up once you have done everything. Here are done. Others, okay, Surya have done. Others done. Okay, now save this file. Control S. Here you can see this go live button. The down right corner you can see this one go live. Click on that. See, this is my website now. There is nothing. Blank page. Here you can see this HTML index.html. Everyone got this page? Yes. Okay. Now here you can see this document here. See title. Okay, this is the title. Okay, here we are getting to see this file name index.html. See here our title is document. You can change it to my name. Just give me website. Control S. See now it is changed to Hamid website. This is the title of this page. The title you have to keep it inside this head tag. You know about this head tag, body tag, HTML tags. Okay, in body I have nothing. So it is blank here, blank void. This one. I will type here. See, this is a normal text. Okay, whatever we type here inside this body tags will get displayed here. Okay, this is head tag. In head tag we have to keep these links, titles, everything. Links I will tell you later. This title is used to name this one, this website. website data. Okay, now I want my name in a bigger, this one, in big text, big to bold. Here I will use H1 tag. You know what is H1 tag? Anyone knows what is H1? You know, it is in bold one, bolder and bigger. Yes, heading. This is heading tag. H1 means heading one. Like this, we can create multiple. Here I will give H2. See, even this also it is getting automatically this one renamed because of that extension auto rename tag. Whatever I change here will get changed there also. See, this is the use of that extension auto rename tag. It is extension auto rename tag. Okay, here I will give H2. This is H3, H4, H5, H6. Till 6 we can give this one. H1 to H6. The difference is like this. One is bigger, second one is smaller, 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 smaller like that. So these are the heading tags with different size. One, two, three, four. One is the largest, maximum. Sixth one is least. Okay, now let's create a navbar. You know what is navbar? Anyone? Okay, before that, I will tell you some. This one. This is heading tags. Like that, we will have paragraph tag, p tag. Here I'll give lorem. This is shortcut one. Lorem 20. Okay, see this is one emit. If I give lorem 20, it will create random 20 words. Lorem 20, enter. See some random words they have given. It have given random paragraph of 20 words. You can give it a tiny number. See, if I give 100, it will create 100 words. Okay, random this one, random text. You guys know this one? Lorem, paragraph tag, heading tag. Can you just tell me what are the other tags you can use? I told you two tags. Heading tag, paragraph tag. There are more tags. Okay, now everyone have to give me one tag now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 members are there. I need 5 tags now. Image tag, yes. Others, let me add one image tag also. Image tag source, I will give any random source. Okay, where is that link? Okay, image tag is done. Others, I got this image. Inside this SRC, we have to give the location. Either I can use it by local image also I can use, or from directly website also you can take like this. You can copy that full link. There's link tag. Okay, link. What is used? Link tag is used in the heading tag. It's ref. Okay, for image you are telling the AMG tag. In AMG will have SRC, not href. Href, where it is used in href. See, in AMG we will use SRC. Href where we can use which tag? There is a tag which is used in this one. A tag, yes. Anchor tag. Okay, now tell me why A tag is used. Link the other page. Yes. Here I will use A tag and I will link to my portfolio website. Okay, this link I will copy. Inside href I will give the link, website link. And here text I will give my portfolio website. Okay, I will close this tabs. See here you can see that one, my portfolio website. If I click on this text, it will take me to that website. Okay, it is opening in the same page. I want to open in next page. What I can do? If I click here, it is opening in the same page. It is taking me to the same page. I want to open this in new tab. What I can use the new ID. No, it should take me to the new tab, not in the same page. There is a keyword. Inside this anchor tag, I can type something here. It will take me to the new page. Anyone knows? See, if I just give href, it will open this website in the same page. For that, we can use target. Target to see here it is suggesting this one blank parent self top. Okay, I have to give blank target blank. Now it will take me to new page now. If I click, see new tab has been opened. If I click one more time, again fill open. Is everyone with me? Heading tag, paragraph tag, image tag, a tag. Others one, two have the one. What about other three? Surya and Bharat. Input tag. Bharat. No, let them say. Bharat Sola. Okay, then Bhavya, Narahari, Yogesh. Give me some tags. Tag name. Bharat have given me one more tag name. Input tag. List tag. Yes. Can you tell me the syntax? How to create a list? There are types of list also. There are two types of list. What are the two types of list? Okay, by the time we will give an input tag here. Image I need to reduce this size. Okay, see, image size is too big here. Here I will give width 100, then height 100. So you can manage the width and height here from direct tag itself. Width 100, height 100. Now it is like this. Small image. Okay, then I will give input tag. In input also there are many types of this one. There are many types. Here it is text like this. It will take text. Yes, Bhavya. What are the types of list? There are other two. Bhavya, Bharat, Givan, Narahari. Then one more is there is one more. Left I guess. Bhavesh. Structured and unstructured. Yes. It is actually ordered. Ordered, unordered. UL, OL. Ordered list, unordered list. Okay, what is the difference? What is OL and what is UL? Here we'll give UL tag. Inside that I need LI tag. LI means list item. It's random text. Copy, paste, paste, paste. This is unordered list. We'll give unordered list. OL tag. List item. Okay, here you can see the difference. See, first I have given ordered list. Unordered list. Unordered means it will give a bullet point. See, it is in bullet points. In ordered list, it will give me numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, now can you tell me what are the different input tags? One input tag we have seen here. Input type to text. What are the other types we can use here? Here only you will get to see. Input type button, checkbox. These are the types. There are many types. If I give button, you will get to see a button now. One button is there. Password, yes. Text to password, username. Username. What is username? Password is there. In password, it will show only bullet points. This is text. This is button. For button, I will give some name. Value. Submit. Given submit button is there. Text, password, submit. What are others? What are other types? Checkbox. Yes. checkbox. Then one more is there. Checkbox is like this. Tick tick. You can tick and untick here. Other something you told me. Email, yes. Here I'll give email. So it will take emails. See, here it will give please include result. That hover button will come. Once we create a form now, then we will get to see this one. Email one. Once again, guys. Okay, guys. Here will be email this one. Yeah, once we create a form now, then we'll get exact idea. So please include at some suggestions it will give here like this. Email tag, then others, other tags. There's one more tag. Here radio buttons. Like this. It will be round. This is checker, this is radio. These are the types of inputs. Text, email, password, checkbox, this one, button. Then what else? Okay, now let's create a navbar here. Okay, we remove this everything. Navbar is like this here. See, home, about, service. This is called navbar. Okay, to create a navbar, what contents we need, what tags we have to use. Which tags you can use here? See, one. Can you guys tell me what are the tags I can use to create this one navbar? Nav tag, yes. You can use deep tag also, anything. Just give nav tag, or let's give nav bar. Okay, nav bar tag. Okay, inside nav bar, I need one logo, some headings. Okay, logo, I will give it in div tag, division tag. You know about div tag? Give my logo. Okay, before that, I will give some background color for this nav bar tag. Okay, now I can use styling here. Style background color. Let's give gray. Nothing happened. We need to use nav only. Let's see. Nav. Okay, gray nav. Inside that I have one div tag which call my logo. Okay, so what I have done here, can anyone tell me? Inside nav I have given style tag. What is this called? Which type of CSS? Okay, there are types of CSS. There are three types of CSS. What are those types? Yes, inline, external, one more. Is one more type. Internal, yes. Okay, now which type I have used here? Which is this type? Inline, yes. Okay, here I have used inline CSS. For internal, you can use it here after body tag. You can give style tag. Now, can anyone tell me how to call this navbar here? What can I do? Create class. Yes. Okay. For this nav, we will create class. Why should I create class? What is the importance of this class? Okay, here I will call class using dot var curly brackets, then bg. Okay, like this to apply separate styles for that. Yes. See here, I can call this nav directly. Okay, because the nav is single now. This nav tag is single now. You can directly call nav. See, now it will apply like this. Suppose if I have different navs, multiple navs. I have three navs. So it is applying for all three also. Because I am calling the tag name, directly tag name. So if I want to apply only this for this one, that first one, there I will give navbar like this. Class name, separate class name. For this navbar, let me give one. This is two. This is three. Now I can call it separately. Dot navbar one. See, apply only for one because I have called only number one class name. Okay, this is the importance of using class. We can differentiate this one. Okay. Now, what is this type now? Which type I have used here? Give nav one. Shortcut names, small names. I'll just give nav. Okay, what is this type called? This type of styling? Internal. Yes. Now, how to do that external one? Inline we saw, internal we saw. Now we'll see how to create external CSS. .css file. Only Surya is replying. What about others? Bhavya, Narahari. You will create a file here. Let's name it. We'll give some different name here now. Let's give external. External CSS. Now let me give my name. CSS. Okay, now same thing. We'll copy paste. Copy. Okay, this one I will do. See, I've created one file now, but I cannot see some changes here now. I have given background color, but there is no background here. What to do? I want to see this styling here. Yes. Tell me what to do. You see here we have two different files now. HTML is separate, CSS is separate. Okay, now we are running only index.html file. I want to apply this styling here. What can I do? Any idea? I want to link these files. How to link? Hello. I lost my network once again. Okay. Yes. Tell me what I can do here. I need to link these both files. Link tag. Yes. Okay. Here, link tag is used inside this header tag. Yeah. Link. Here in Href, I will give that file name. Simple. Meet.css. Now you will get to see these changes. Okay. Now logo is done. I need to remove these gaps here. See, there are some gaps here in corners. How to remove that one? Padding. No, it's not padding. Padding also is possible. Where to use this padding? How to reduce the padding? From which tag? It is of body tag. Body. Body. First, let's reduce margin also. Margin 0. Padding 0. Yes, done. Now logo is there. Now I want some text here. In navbar I will give some padding. Padding of 16 pixels. This time. Okay, what is difference between padding and margin? Difference between padding and margin. Padding divides I. Mhm. What I? Padding and margin. What it will do? Okay, see. I will give same thing here. Here I will give margin, padding. Now you will get to see the differences. See, this is margin. This is padding. Okay, I have given margin and padding for navbar. Okay, this one. Now what it is doing? What is margin doing? What is padding doing here? You can see the difference. See, this is margin. Na? This is padding. See, here I have given margin 16. Navbar. Border 5px. Solid. Like this. Okay, now you can see this. This is the border of this navbar. Okay, then here I have given margin 16 it will add space outside this neighbor. If we give padding, it will add space inside this neighbor. Give 16 only, 16 px. See, margin, border, padding. Okay, border I no need, border delete, margin also no need. Oi. Okay, now I need some text here. For that one, I will create list. Okay, see, there is one shortcut here now. Can do it like this. UL, this sign. Inside this UL, I need list item. LI of how many items? Let's get 5. Maybe this one. Dot 5, I guess. No, dot is this one. What was the one? Once again. See, like this, we can create multiple items here. Inside UL, I need to create list into, yes, into 5. So it will create this. One UL tag inside 5 list tags. Like this. UL. These are the shortcuts you can use. You simply give UL tag. Inside UL tag, I need LI tag of 5 LI tags. Here I will give home, then about, then what else? Services. Contact. Okay, now I want this list item here like this in horizontal way. So what I can do here, let me give colors for everything. This is logo. We give a class logo, and this one there will be number. Okay, logo. I will give some color. Logo background color something. Ah, then color I will give white. Okay, this is my logo. Then .nav space Google. No, I want this both in single line. What I can do? I need logo here and these items here. Home bar like this. Home bar service contact. What can I do here? Can anyone tell me how to bring this everything in single line? Any idea? Any idea, guys? I want this all contains in single line. My logo here, then same thing, everything here in single line. Flex. Yes. Never need to give display flex. Okay, no. Still, this is in horizontal way. I mean vertical way. Even for list also we have to do something. This UL here also will give T flex. Yeah, of MPX more meat. Okay, then I need to remove these dots, bullet points. For that one, I will give text decoration. No, not text decoration. There is another one. What is the list style? I guess list style. No, no. Yes. See here it is upside down. The logo is up. This one is down. How to fix that one? Okay, so for that one, we will come to navbar, line items, center. Okay, this one, align item, center. It will align everything in center. We will remove this one. Okay. Hmm. Now I want logo on left and this contents on right. For that, what I can do? I want this logo on left side. These items should come to the right side. What can I do for that? I need to push this content to the extreme right from here. This should be on left. Hmm. Any idea? Here I can give just default content. Hmm. Center. Let's see. Okay, everything is in center. I want this logo here. What can I do for that? Not this way. Any idea? I need to push these items. Any idea, guys? Surya, Bharat. So what can I do is from logo, I can push these items from here, either from logo or from this one, these items. Let's do from here. Here what I can give is margin left auto. See, margin left auto means margin left side. I've given auto. It will push to the extreme. This one. It will add gap. I can give the numbers also here. Instead of auto, I can give 5 rem, but only small gaps here. I can give 15 rem also. It will add some space here. If I give auto, it will use the maximum space. Okay, navbar is created now. And here I need one search button something. After contact, here I will get one more div tag. Div. Here class, let's give search. Input type text. Name ID I don't want here. Then button. Search. Like this. Okay, now I need to add some stylings here. Here what I can do is call search class. Then adding 8 px. Let's give margin. Nothing happened. So you want gap here. What I can do here? Oh, my spelling is wrong. Then guys, any doubts in this? Okay, the same thing I can use Bootstrap also. You know about Bootstrap? Okay, this one is done using HTML and CSS. The same thing I'll use doing Bootstrap here. Any idea about Bootstrap? What is Bootstrap? Where it is used? Any idea, guys? Here search for Bootstrap. Right. Here what I can do is just copy this link. Okay, search for Bootstrap by open this first link, introduction. Copy this link Okay, now I will not use this one. Let me comment this. When I'm not using CSS, I will use Bootstrap for styling. See now again it is normal. You can see the changes here. See, text style has been changed because I have used Bootstrap link here now. I'm not using this file now, CSS file. Done this step. Just copy that link and paste it here. This is the first step. Done, guys. Yes. Only Bhavya is doing good. Surya, Bharat. Yes. The other two. Okay, now I will do the same thing using Bootstrap. Okay, first what we need to do, background color for this nav bar. Okay, inside this nav, BG dark. These are the predefined classes. Okay, first what we did, we created one class called nav. Then we called the class in CSS file, then styled that one. These are the properties. Now I'm using predefined classes of Bootstrap. Here, what is the Bootstrap BG dark? Okay, this is predefined class. It has its own properties inside this link from the Bootstrap. Okay, so it is dark now. Now I need to make this text to white. So what I can do, text hyphen white. Okay, these are the predefined classes. BG dark, text white. Okay, then I need to give flex, display flex. For that one I will give d flex. Okay, this is one predefined class for displaying flex. Okay, here you can see this one, see differences. Okay, I will use the same properties. Here I have given background color gray. Here I have given dark. Then display flex. For display flex, the predefined class is dflex. Okay, for text white, we can use here color white and padding of 16 px. Here I can give p hyphen. The max I can give is only 5 here in padding. Okay, padding 5, 3, you see. Padding 3 I have given. Then what it is to here, align item center. Same thing. Align items center. Okay, this is also one predefined class, align item center. In CSS, we'll do like this: align items, say control center. Okay, then for UL, we have to give these properties. Come inside UL class display flex, tflex, then gap of 3. Maximum I can give only 5 here. Gap padding, then list style is none. List style none. This different class, I guess. where is the maybe list to group please. Let's try this last list to group. I want to remove the bullet points. This one, not this one. We'll try this to style. Any idea, guys? I want to remove these bullet points. In CSS, we'll do something like this: list style none. In Bootstrap, we give margin left also ML. So for margin left ML, not ML, MS. MS means margin start, then ME margin end. It is right. See, this is start, this is end. MS ME. For margin top, we give MT. For bottom, we give MB. TV SM. Top, bottom, left, right. Now we give MS auto. Margin left to auto. Done. Now I want to remove this style, these bullet points. Any idea? Any idea, guys? What can I do? Any idea, guys? Anyone? Come on, try something. See, in this situation, what you can do is open ChatGPT. Yeah. Now I need to tell ChatGPT what I want to do. Now I want to remove these bullet points from list using Bootstrap. Here, hold on. Remove bullet points from list using Bootstrap. See, it is list unstyled. Okay, like this, you can use ChatGPT also. Here, give M auto list unstyled. Done. In the class, I'm missing here, maybe. See, here it is upside down. This is up, this is down. I want everything in center. What I missed. Align item center. It is there. But same before. Weight has been gone up. Display flex cap and auto. Everything is there. What I'm missing here? Anyone? There is any doubts here now? Using Bootstrap. Any doubts? In Bootstrap, do you have any doubts? How to link use class names? Any doubts, guys? No. Others? Bhavya, no. Surya. Where is Surya? Only three people. Yes. Okay, can you ask questions now? In Bootstrap. Okay, what is the class for display flex? Okay, tell me. What is the class for display flex? Bootstrap class. Deflex. For padding, okay, here only will write. For display flex, D hyphen flex. Hmm. Then padding, okay, I will write down for everything here. Deflex, 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 and that's all. Now for padding. Padding, what is the class? P. P what? It is 16 pixels. And what is the maximum number? I told you. I will give 3. What is the maximum? 5. Yes. Then this one, align item center. Align item center. Align items. No. I want like this. The syntax. Align star. No. Align that one. Okay. Align the. I need full class name. This is half one. Align item is half. This align item center. Okay, same thing. Copy, paste. Just we need to remove this like this. Align item center. Then color white. What is the class for color white? Yes, align item center. Text white. Yes. Then for background, text white. Background. Background was dark. Let me give dark here also. Here BG. Yes, BG hyphen color name dark. Yes. Only Bhavya is replying. What about others? Okay, then gap. Let's finish this one. Gap one run has given. Others Bharat gap 3. Yes. Shh, shh. 1 second, please. Okay. Gap 3. Yes. Gap 3. Then list style none. Just now we saw in ChatGPT. What was that? Unstyle. Yes. What unstyle? It's list unstyle. List hyphen unstyle. Then for margin left, yes, list unstyle. Margin left, it's margin. This one you have to type. Dash 2. What is in between? Margin start. Yes. Not this one. MS. Shortcut name. MS auto. MB means margin right. ML hotel MT MB. Top and bottom. Okay. Here it is margin 8 px. For only margin, for only margin what it is. Yes. M. Small m. Your padding is 0. Your margin also 0. M0. M3. Any number we can give. Only till 5. Any doubts? Okay, what are these called? What are these? Okay, let others reply now. Bharat, Surya, what are these called? This BG dark, text white, deflex. What are these? Where are you guys? Sleeping, huh? Bharat, Surya, Yogesh. Guys, where are you? Are you in the class? No doubt, sir. Yes, I asked you one question. What are these? This BG dark, text white, deflex. What are these called? Hmm? Surya, Yogesh, Bharat. Yes, tell me fast. Let's end this session today. And what is this link? We have only two questions. What is this link and what are this? Bootstrap link. Yes, that is bootstrap link. What about this one? No, let the other reply, Bhavya. You know this everything. Okay, Surya, tell me what are these? Hmm. The answer is there on the screen only. Styling, yes, that's the styling. But what is this called? What is this keyword? Hmm. Class style. Yes, this is class style of what? The open source of front-end framework. Mhm. Yeah, that is a bootstrap definition. Bootstrap is a framework for front-end part. What are this one? These are these texts. The text weight, deflex, P3. What are these called? Answer is on the screen only. So they have given the answer. Class type. These are the classes. Classes of what? These are the classes of. I didn't create these classes. These are the main classes. Main classes are different. Nav, UL, search. Class of nav. No. Classes for nav. Classes of which one? These are the classes for navbar. Now this is classes of. Hmm. See, this is the main class. This is main class. I have created these classes before. Search, nav. Yeah, this is I didn't create these classes. I'm just calling these classes. BG Dark Text Weight. These are the classes of what? These are the predefined classes. Okay, see, this is user defined class. I have defined this one. Search. Now this is defined by whom? These are the predefined classes. Coming from where? Hmm. No idea. No idea, guys. See, these are the predefined classes. Bootstrap. Okay, I'm just calling those classes from Bootstrap here. BG this one, everything. If I remove this link, see, it went back to normal. Okay, so these are the classes coming from Bootstrap from this link. It came back. Any doubts? Okay, I will give you some assignment now. Using Bootstrap, you have to create multiple div tags. Mm, like this. Okay, like this div tags in it. These are the div tags. H1 tag, V tag, like this. Okay, I want 6 div tag like this. Three in a row. This is your task. You can use ChatGPT also. Will you do it? Okay, I will share you this screenshot. Just copy. Okay, this is the assignment. Tomorrow, everyone have to show me this one. No doubts, no? Any doubts you can ask me.